After ChatGPT has been launched, maybe you have millions of questions about ChatGPT instead. What is ChatGPT? How to use ChatGPT? How to make money from ChatGPT? ChatGPT versus Google. What is ChatGPT? Some people are skeptical about ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence text generator, which is being heralded as the workplace of the future. An AI technology called ChatGPT can produce text that sounds like human speech. Many employment will be affected by this, according to technologists. How can you earn money from ChatGPT? Generate content for websites, write social media posts, generating scripts for videos and audio content, content generation for books and ebooks, create e-commerce product listings, translation. Blogger can use this to write content for their website, saving time and earning money. So same freelancer can write content with the help of ChatGPT and earn comfortably. How to use ChatGPT? It's quite easy to use the ChatGPT chatbot because all you have to do is enter your text to get the information. To utilize any of OpenAI's tools, you must first create an account, so if you don't already have one, you must do so. Which is the best between Google and ChatGPT? Google has a lot of data. Google knows what kind of searches people do. If you search on Google, Google will put all the search results in front of you. You will have to give yourself time to find the answer. ChatGPT is called Google Color. Same goes to him too, but Google won't win. ChatGPT, the popular artificial intelligence chatbot, is reported to have reached 100 million users just in 2 months after its launch. According to report by SimilarWeb, the chatbot clocked 13 million users per day in January. The platform has surprised other social media apps including Instagram and TikTok. Some advantages of ChatGPT in our daily life. Speed. ChatGPT is incredibly fast and can respond to a user's query within milliseconds. Natural language understanding. It has a deep understanding of natural language and can respond to questions or queries in a conversational and human-like manner. Personalization. ChatGPT can provide personalized responses based on the user's context, history, and preferences. Scalability. ChatGPT can handle a large number of user interactions simultaneously, making it ideal for large-scale chat applications. Improved accuracy. With continual learning, ChatGPT can improve its accuracy over time and provide more accurate responses. Cost-effective. ChatGPT can reduce the cost of customer service by automating repetitive tasks and freeing up customer service representatives to handle more complex queries. Increase customer satisfaction. ChatGPT can provide fast, accurate, and personalized responses to customer inquiries, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.